Hello and happy summer. This is Lynn Norusis with the Focus on Nova team with Century 21 Redwood Realty here, wishing you the best summer possible now that everything is reopening and everybody is getting vaccinated. So with that, we have lots of information in this newsletter for you to really get out and enjoy the upcoming summer. So first and foremost, we have a great list of things to do this month. I also went ahead and did a video and did a deep dive into my new accent wall that I have in my home office. So some great DIY home projects that you can do. We also went ahead and met with Billy Pell over at Captain Pell's, who gave us a great tutorial on how to crack crabs. So that's a great summer activity for anytime you're getting together with friends or family. A perfect time to get outside and dig into a great summertime treat. We also have for you an update on development happening in Fairfax City, so you can see what is coming both on the residential and commercial and retail side. So that's something to check out as well. Also in this newsletter, we have some more information about real estate, obviously, to where you can dive in, see what the market is doing right now. Because we have hit somewhat of a plateau. So if you were a buyer or know of a buyer who was trying to get something in the beginning of the year and was just really getting beat up and, was losing their oomph for getting that done, this summer might actually be a great time to jump back in the game because prices have plateaued and people aren't having to give up everything to purchase a home right now. So enjoy the newsletter. If you have any questions when it comes to Northern Virginia or the real estate market, by all means, please get in touch. And I hope you guys have a great start to the summer.